Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to study using notes. Begin by setting a clear goal for each session and skim your notes to locate key ideas. Convert headings into questions and use active recall to answer them without looking. Schedule short, spaced reviews and focus on the hardest parts first. Use consistent symbols and a tidy layout so future reviews are fast and productive for solid learning. Create a simple, repeatable layout so your brain recognizes structure instantly. Start with a main idea at the top, add examples in the middle, and finish with a one-sentence summary. Use shorthand and symbols to speed note-taking and highlight formulae or dates. Color code only sparingly to avoid distraction, and make sure every page has an obvious title for quicker searching during review sessions. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful study guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps water handy and prevents interruptions from thirsty brain fog during long note sessions, plus it fits in most backpacks. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Make studying active rather than passive by converting notes into short quizzes you answer from memory. Record yourself teaching a concept and listen back to catch fuzzy parts you need to review. Alternate between topics and vary practice problems to strengthen recall under different contexts. Limit sessions to focused intervals with brief breaks, and always mark any question you missed so you prioritize it on the next review cycle for efficient progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.